just look at that. Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. This is a simple, easy idiot meal actually, and if this idiot can do it, anyone can do it. We're gonna do chips and chicken nuggets in the air fryer. So simple, no oil, no nothing, just chuck it in, turn it on, walk away, come back, give it a shake, take it out, done. Let's show you how to do it. Very quick this, let's show you. Okay, we got some frozen fries here. So all we're going to do is cut the top off. Now these fries look like the famous Mackie D fries, but obviously they're not. And the KFC fries. Anyhow, is this going to be a KFC dinner? I've no idea. Right, what we're going to do is chuck these in the air fryer. Here we go guys, that's all we're going to do. Whack them in there. In fact, we're going to chuck the whole bag in. Now you don't have to do any more to this than shove that in there. It's in. 200 degrees on for 10 minutes. That's it. So we got this whacked on for 200 degrees for 10 minutes guys. That's all it is to it. 10 minutes time we'll give it a really good shaking round and we're going to chuck in our frozen chicken nuggets. It's as simple as that. See you in 10. Oh, there's the ping. Oh, look at those. Give them a shake. Then all we need to do, straight in the freezer guys for our chicken. And all we're going to do is cut the tops off and chuck them in our chips. Simple as that. And then whack them back in the air fryer. In the air fryer, 12 minutes on. That's it. 12 minutes on guys, but we'll give them a shake about halfway. They should be okay. We might need a little squirt of oil on there, I'm not sure yet. We'll see in about 6 minutes time. Oh, there we are guys, there's a ping. Oh, look at that. Chips are looking a bit anemic in the bottom of there, so let's give it a shake over. Get some of those chips over there. Shake it up a bit. And whack it back in. I want to put that back in for another 10 minutes guys. Oh, let's have a look in here. Oh, just come on, just look at that. Give that a shake over. Oh, I just think 2 minutes more, that's all. I don't think we're going to go the full 10 minutes on there. I think 2 minutes more and that'll be done. They're looking absolutely fantastic. Oh, that's it. Just look in there. Now that is your KFC made. All we're going to do is serve it up. Oh, come on guys. Bit of salt on there. Oh, bit of ketchup. What more do you want? Oh, just look at that. Come on guys, anybody can make this. Now that is a fantastic KFC type meal at home. Simple, no oil, no nothing, quite healthy, apart from we don't know what the heck is in these chicken things, but there you go. Look at that. Oh, that red hot. Oh man, that is delicious actually. Oh, so me guys. There we are guys. KFC type meal at home. Simple, just chuck it all in the air fryer, finished. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff, and we'll catch you in the next video.